What graph database should you use for your project? Imagine trying to find your way through a complex maze of connections. That's what choosing a graph database is like. It's about finding the best tool to handle relationships in your data. Graph databases are designed to store and query data points that are connected, making them perfect for social networks, recommendation systems, fraud detection, and real-time analysis. First, think about how your data is structured. If your project involves lots of interconnected data and you need quick traversal, Neo4j could be a good fit. It uses a native property graph model and has a query language called Cypher, which is made specifically for graph data. It's known for high performance with complex relationships and has a strong community to support you. If your project needs to scale out across many servers and handle large amounts of data, Dgraph might be better. It is a distributed graph database that uses GraphQL as its query language. It's open source and supports real-time analytics. However, it can be a bit tricky to learn because of its distributed setup, but it's great if you want high performance at a large scale. Dgraph is another option, especially if you are working in industries like finance or e-commerce. It uses a property graph model, and its query language is called GSQL, which is similar to SQL. It is built for enterprise use, capable of handling huge datasets and providing fast analytics. It's more complex to set up but offers powerful tools for deep link analysis and real-time recommendations. For projects that need flexibility, ArangoDB offers a multi-model approach. It combines graph, document, and key-value data in one engine, which can simplify your backend. Its query language is called AQL. If your project involves different types of data, this can reduce complexity and make development smoother. Janus Graph is a good choice if you are building a large-scale, custom graph system. It is a distributed property graph database that works with big data backends like Cassandra or HBase. It uses Gremlin as its query language, which is part of Apache Tinkerpop. It requires more setup and operational knowledge but is highly scalable and flexible for big projects. Memgraph is designed for speed. It is an in-memory property graph database that uses Cypher. It is perfect for applications that need real-time processing and fast responses, like streaming analytics or dynamic graph updates. It is easy to deploy and developer-friendly, making it a good starting point for projects needing quick insights. Finally, if your project involves multiple microservices and you want a unified way to access graph data, Apollo GraphQL combined with Graphos offers a platform built around GraphQL. It supports large teams, scalable deployment options like Docker or Kubernetes, and includes tools for managing complex distributed applications. When choosing a graph database, consider your data size, complexity, query language preference, and operational skills. If you want something straightforward and easy to start with, Neo4j or Memgraph are great options. For larger, distributed systems, Dgraph or Janus Graph fit well. If your project combines different data types, ArangoDB offers a flexible solution. And if you're building a complex microservice environment, Apollo GraphQL can unify your data access. Picking the right tool helps keep your backend simple, fast, and ready to grow.